How to finish one set of CNC mini machine. First, assemble machine frame. 1. Assemble machine base, column, and slider. 2. Install 9 guideway and ball screw. 3. Do the accuracy test to make sure it is in 0.001 mm. Second, assemble tool magazine. Install base by bolts. Find the proper position to be precision adjusted for ATC. Third, assemble machine cover by bolts. First, install CNC controller. Fifth, combine machine frame and machine cover. Sixth, install electrical cabinet and assemble it in the machine. Seventh, install motors.